Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Joba, a political science instructor, and my goal here is to guide a student on their studies, especially on whatever assignments that they did not understand from their instructors or teachers. Okay, so if you are new here, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. Alright, so now we will be discussing what is a qualitative research. So most of you were asking, what is the meaning of a qualitative research? Okay, so it says here that a qualitative research involves non-numerical data, such as opinions and literature. It uses descriptions to obtain the meanings and feelings involved in a situation. Business often use qualitative research to determine consumer opinions and reactions. Okay? So, qualitative research. Sabi niya dito, it's non-numerical data. So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabi natin qualitative research, ibig sabihin hindi tayo gumagamit ng numerical data. Example dito, na qualitative research, pag gumagawa tayo ng focus group discussions. Nandun ka lang, tapos nagtatanong ka, tinatanong mo yung mga members sa focus group discussion na yan tungkol sa data or tungkol sa topic na gusto mong pag-usapan or gusto mong i-research. Ganyan din, survey, participant comments, observations, and interview. So that is an example of qualitative research. Let's say for example, gusto mong kunin yung idea or yung hinanaing ng mga LGBTQ family about the community, about how the community is treating them, how is the government treating them. In order for you to do that research, sabi mo, qualitative research ko ito para mas maganda na makakakuha pa ako ng magandang explanation galing mismo sa member ng LGBTQ family. And also, of course, on the to validate that research, kumuha ka din ng pulse ng community mismo. Okay. So, gumamit ka ng interview. Gumamit ka din ng focus group discussion. So, that is an example of a qualitative research. Mag-interview, mag-focus group. Okay. Hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng survey questionnaire para magsagot lang sila ng yes or no para yung result yun na lang yung i-interpret mo. Hindi ganyan ang qualitative research. Okay? It's more on non-numerical data. So that ends our discussion for today, and I hope that you're able to gain something again from this simple tutorial. And if you have any suggestion, comments, or clarification, please write them down on the comment section so I'll check after this tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so goodbye everyone!